Rich People Troubles: 13 Problems Only the Wealthy Face. 1. The children could end up developing a sense of entitlement as they grow older. Raising rich kids is challenging because even if parents try to teach them the values they grew up with, their wealth can create a gap between morals and financial stability. Many wealthy individuals worry that their children might become entitled and lack a sense of purpose. A study by Boston College's Center on Wealth and Philanthropy found that some fear money could negatively influence their kids, making them less empathetic and compassionate. A financial services company advisor noted that the worst outcome for wealthy families is having dependent, non-self-reliant children who don't contribute to society and rely heavily on family wealth. This creates a harmful cycle. Warren Buffett's suggestion is apt, leaving your kids enough to do anything but not so much that they do nothing. 2. They express concerns about the possibility of their children being abducted. A wealthy woman on Forbes' Richest People in America list expressed constant concern for her children's safety, fearing they might be targets for kidnappers. However, security experts warn that wealthy families face risks, especially through children's social media accounts. Even with tight security measures, posting vacation pictures and personal information online can compromise a family's safety, providing criminals with easy access to target them. 3. Their friends and family request monetary assistance from them. Having $1 billion practically ensures that people will gather around you, treating you like a personal ATM. Valerie Rind, in her book Gold Diggers and Deadbeat Dads: True Stories of Friends, Family and Financial Ruin, notes that if friends or family believe you have money, they're more likely to ask for a loan. However, what they may not realize is that wealthy individuals build and maintain their fortune through hard work and smart decisions, not by lending large sums they never get back. Moreover, if you do decide to lend money, it's crucial to understand that it can permanently alter your personal relationship with the borrower. Balancing feelings of guilt or the sense of obligation to provide for others can be a lifelong challenge. 4. Even strangers approach them seeking financial assistance. When people know you're wealthy, they often approach you for financial help. A well-known luxury travel blogger mentioned receiving direct messages on Twitter from strangers sharing tragic stories and asking for money. The previously mentioned heiress also noted frequent requests for donations to various charities. There's even a Quora thread dedicated to the question, "How can I get a list of rich people willing to help families in need?" One respondent straightforwardly stated, "You can't and shouldn't." If they shared that information with everyone, families would be overwhelmed with calls, letters, and visitors all seeking help. It's impossible for them to assist everyone. 5. They question the genuine nature of their friendships, wondering if their friends truly appreciate them. TheDailyMail.com recently highlighted a Reddit thread where wealthy individuals discussed the downsides of affluence. A man from a wealthy family shared how challenging it was to maintain genuine friendships. He revealed that when his family faced financial difficulties, his so-called friends disappeared instantly. These friends, he explained, vanished because he could no longer afford to buy them drinks at clubs or cover their bills at expensive restaurants. This experience left him heartbroken as he realized they weren't true friends. Interestingly, when his family's financial situation improved, those same friends reappeared. In response, he decided to cut ties with them. Some participants in the Boston College study expressed similar concerns, questioning the authenticity of their friendships. One person wondered how many friends would completely sever ties if they couldn't gain something from them. 6. They question the authenticity of their spouse's love, pondering if it is truly genuine. Imagine you're incredibly wealthy and considering marrying someone with less money, but you want to ensure they're not just interested in your fortune. According to interviews with many wealthy individuals, they generally feel more confident about their spouse's intentions if they marry before becoming old compared to meeting a partner later in life. The concern about gold diggers is real, as expressed by one person who admitted to favoring a significant wallet over other traits. A blogger on Frustrated Billionaire highlighted how such situations make the ultra-wealthy question if people are with them for who they are or for their wealth. The solution for many in this situation is a prenuptial agreement. 7. Their wealth has the potential to overshadow their other qualities or attributes. It's common for people to focus on a person's wealth, allowing money to define who they are. Abigail Disney, the granddaughter of Roy Disney, the co-founder of the Walt Disney Company, shared her own experience as a wealthy individual. She mentioned that people often straightforwardly comment on her wealth, saying, "Oh my god, you must be really rich." According to her, this immediate focus on wealth means you don't get to make a first impression based on who you are. People have preconceived notions before even shaking your hand. 8. Being famous also means sacrificing your privacy. It's not surprising that if you're both rich and famous, your privacy diminishes significantly. The days of going out to a restaurant, store, or anywhere without the risk of being recognized, approached, photographed, or gossiped about are long gone. Numerous wealthy individuals have to deal with people sifting through their trash each week, prompting some to find more private ways to dispose of their garbage. 9. Individuals who are unfamiliar with them tend to criticize their actions or decisions. Regardless of their actions, the wealthy often face criticism. Once people discover someone is rich, negative assumptions and thoughts tend to arise. Common stereotypes about the wealthy include being seen as shallow, greedy, power-hungry, and materialistic, with the perception that they are disconnected from the experiences of an average person. Some may assume their wealth comes from luck, cheating, or taking advantage of loopholes. While it's true that some individuals attain wealth through luck or fraudulent acts like tax evasion, there's also a perception that one person's success equates to another misfortune. 10. They are at a higher risk of facing legal action or lawsuits. Where there's money, there's often a trail of lawyers and, unfortunately, dishonest plaintiffs eager to pursue it. Brian Clayton, the CEO of the lawn care service platform GreenPal, shared that lawsuits were one aspect of wealth that caught him off guard. Dealing with strangers, serving legal papers once a month is no laughing matter, according to him. A survey referenced in US News World Report found that less than 20% of people with a net worth of $1 million worry about being sued, whereas 80% of those with a net worth exceeding $20 million share this concern. Even renowned entrepreneur and Shark Tank regular Mark Cuban reportedly mentioned on the show that he would refuse investments if there's even a small chance of facing a lawsuit. Number 11. They experience feelings of disappointment. When you already have everything you've ever wanted, life can pose a unique challenge. The absence of specific goals may lead to a lack of satisfaction, since acquiring things without effort doesn't provide the same sense of accomplishment. The joy that comes from earning something through hard work is missing when you can't have anything without striving for it. Surprisingly, buying whatever you desire whenever you want may not bring the anticipated delight, leaving you still unsatisfied. Contrary to the common assumption that having millions of dollars solves all problems and guarantees happiness, it's often not the case. If you were generally unhappy before becoming wealthy, chances are you'll still struggle with unhappiness despite your financial status. 12. They lack trust in the individuals responsible for managing their financial assets. Wealthy individuals often hire professionals to oversee their portfolios, households, and other assets. However, when substantial amounts of money are involved, trust can become a significant issue. An estate manager in San Diego shared the story of a client who hid $1 million in gold coins under his bed. After the man passed away, his personal assistant, who remained in the house, couldn't locate the rumored gold coins. This highlights the challenges of entrusting others with the management of significant wealth. 13. They have concerns about every possible thing. Changes in stocks, decisions by the Federal Reserve, interest rates, and shifts in real estate and global currencies can impact how much money you have. Even though wealthy people don't usually worry about being extremely poor, they often feel like they could lose a lot if the stock market suddenly drops. People say money isn't important until you don't have it, but the truth is, while money can solve some problems, there will always be other concerns. That wraps up the video. Thank you all for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. If you have a topic in mind that you'd like us to cover in a future video, share it in the comments below. We enjoy assisting you and are always excited to create more content. Have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stash Cash signing off.